I'm quite sure you must have heard that Tesla plans to bring a dedicated robotaxi with no steering wheel or pedals to market by 2024. Elon Musk said disclosed this yesterday, the 21st of April 2022. It says that is during their 2022 earnings call. During that call, it was quite an impressive one. Okay, and that is just 2 years to develop, test, verify, produce at volume, and commercially launch a robotaxi that meets regulatory rules that vary from state to state. In California, Tesla's largest market for passenger vehicle sales, it will mean navigating the permitting process of two agencies. Okay, Musk struck a bullish tone despite the numerous challenges. So, analysts are quite impressed by the prospect of this happening, because what it means for Tesla is that Tesla will now, because right now it is making money from selling vehicles, but when the robo taxis come out, we are now talking about recurring income, because the taxis will make money, and it's a recurring one. The vehicles itself will be sold, and also income will continue to stream in from those taxis as well. But we're not exactly sure how this is going to be. But they probably, based on what they're saying, it seems Tesla probably have a hand in the taxis, or probably make them and own them as well, probably, because or probably be in such a deal that they will continue to make money from the taxis regardless of whether they're sold to anybody or not. But all in all, they are quite, they are impressed by the prospect of this, the prospect of this robot taxis. And they're saying that as a result of this, by 2026, they expect Tesla's price target to be 4,600. This is more than 4 times the current price. More than 4 times. The current price right now is around roughly $1,878. $1,878.78. So that is 4 times what it is right now. Okay, so going back to what the earnings were, the company reported adjusted Q1 earnings per share of $3.22, above the 2.26 fact set estimate, as revenues jumped 80.5% year on year to $18.8 billion, north of the street's forecast of $17.9 billion. The electric vehicle maker posted a free cash flow of $2.2 billion, well above the expected $1.6 billion. Tesla said the Q1 was another record quarter of revenues, vehicle deliveries, operating profit, and operating margins. The results came even as the company said challenges around supply chain have remained persistent, and recent COVID-19 outbreaks have been weighing on its supply chain and factory operations. Furthermore, Tesla noted that prices of some raw materials have increased multiple fold in recent months, and the inflationary impact on its cost structure has contributed to adjustments in its product pricing, despite a continued focus on reducing its manufacturing costs where possible. Okay, so analysts are quite they're really impressed with what happened. They're really impressed. This earnings outcomes that were just disclosed. I think when the market closed on the 19th, I think that was on the 20th, or something like that. That's probably when these earnings outcomes were delivered, and they are impressed, especially the prospect of this robotaxi. It's changing a lot of things. And I know a lot of retail investors are hoping and praying that a split that will ensure that the price of the stock is sufficiently cheap enough for them to get involved. Because right now 1,000, it looks like a lot, but would they have another split? There's a good chance they may have another split. Currently we have shares outstanding of 1.034 billion shares. They can always split again. and there's a good chance they will always do that, so yes, Tesla is has plans to build. I think they're probably currently building the prototype of this Robotaxi. I think they must be something. They must be doing something in that sort of direction. Let's have a look at that down here. I think they're probably doing that. Okay. Tesla's Robotaxi pursuit puts it in competition with companies that have been developing autonomous vehicle technology for robotaxis for years, including Alphabet Unit, Waymo, Argo AI, Aurora, and GM's self-driving subsidiary Cruise, Emotional, and Zoox. I think they are probably already developing that already. So so yes, by 2024, which is just not very far away from now, that's what they're saying. Who knows whether they will succeed in doing so. Okay, so well, yes, it's the Robotaxi and it's the earnings. The earnings that beat expectations. So, and the new price target for 2026, according to ARK Investment, as a matter of fact, it's from ARK Investment. They are the ones that have this target of $4,600. So, let's even see whether we can even come up with any target ourselves. I don't think going by what we have here. Okay, let's see. We can. Let's see. This is just going to be a short-term target, pretty much a short-term target. 1,148 minus 976, so that will give us 178 plus 24 will give us 200 times 2.618 523. So we add that to the current price of so our very short-term target is about 1,534, but the folks at ARK Investment, they have a target of 4,600 for the next 4 years. So see what you make of Tesla, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.